Hello and welcome to Naath Global News. If you're new here, please subscribe for breaking news, analysis, and real stories from the ground. Breaking news: South Sudanese public and international community, February 26, 2026. South Sudan's National Security Service has arrested former. Officials and family members confirmed that the arrest took place at around 5 a.m. on Thursday, February 26, 2026. Dr. Dongrin was immediately flown to the capital, Juba, following his apprehension. The operation was conducted. It is the central government in Juba that arrested him, not Rumbek authorities, Ayang said. A family member, Malumayam, said the NSS arrived into pickup vehicles with an arrest warrant. He suggested the detention may be connected to ongoing investigations involving senior government officials, though no official charges have been announced. Dr. Dongrin was. The arrest comes amid a broader crackdown targeting political and military figures. Earlier this week, authorities detained Major General Manasseh Machar-Bol. Calls for transparency? Civil society organizations are now calling for due process and transparency. Danielat Concord Forgret Frodre urged the government to act within the law. As civil society, we call for a quick investigation so that these individuals are brought before a court of law, Khan said. Only the law should determine whether these accusations are true. As of now, the South Sudanese government has not issued an official statement clarifying whether the arrests are part of a broader anti-corruption campaign or linked to internal political developments. This is Naath Global News, bringing you verified and timely updates. Thank you for watching Naath Global News. Subscribe for breaking news, like this video, and share to stay informed.
News and stories across the continent, from the deep traditions of South Sudan and Ethiopia to the rhythm of African music, the power of sports, the rise of technology, and the beauty of our wildlife and nature. This is Africa Reimagined. Share our stories. Keep Africa united through culture, knowledge, and pride. Uniting Africa through stories and culture. Subscribe now to Naath Global News.